Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. This lesson is about time indicators in French, such as tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, next year, last year, and so on. And at the end of the video, we're going to do a recap with charts. So stay tuned because that's really important. We're going to start with the past, and we're going to compare today with when you're recounting something that happened on a specific date or something that will happen in the future. So when you say last year, you mean last year from now. Okay, so that's l'année dernière. But when you say l'année précédente, that's the year before a specific date. Le mois dernier, last month. Le mois précédent, the month before a specific date. La semaine dernière, last week. La semaine précédente, the week before a specific date. Now for the immediate past and the present. Avant-hier, the day before yesterday, or 2 jours avant, 2 days previously, or 2 days before a specific date. Hier, yesterday, or la veille, the day before a specific date. Aujourd'hui, today, or le jour même, that day. For the immediate future, we've got demain, tomorrow, or le lendemain, the next day, the day after a specific date. Après-demain, the day after tomorrow, or le surlendemain, which is the day after next, which is 2 days after a specific date. And a bit further into the future, we've got la semaine prochaine, next week, or la semaine suivante, the following week, as in the week after a specific date. Le mois prochain, next month. Le mois suivant, the following month. L'année prochaine, next year. L'année suivante, the following year. Here's a chart to help you with your recap, and we're going from the past to the future. So we've got l'année dernière, le mois dernier, la semaine dernière, avant-hier, hier, aujourd'hui, demain, après-demain, la semaine prochaine, le mois prochain, l'année prochaine. This is all from when you're talking about a point of view of today. You're talking about something you're going to do tomorrow, next year, and so on. Now here's the same, but when you're talking about a specific date. L'année précédente, le mois précédent, la semaine précédente, 2 jours avant, la veille, le jour même, le lendemain, le surlendemain, la semaine suivante, le mois suivant, l'année suivante. Remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also check out my Parler Français Level 1 to 3 course to speak French fast. You can download a free sample of each level at the link below.